you 1 second. Request to all the parents. It looks like some of the smaller kids have gone outside and messed up with some of the plans. I've received a complaint from the authorities here. Please help us out with this. If your kids are outside or not around you, please get them back in. We have to take care of this. The authorities are not at all happy with the whole thing. One of the parents got shouted at for the whole thing. Please help us out with that. So if your kids are not around, please look out, bring them in, and let's try and keep them inside the auditorium. I'll talk to the authorities after the show, but this will be a problem for us to be able to rent the facility if we have a situation like this. So please help us out with that.
That was beautiful. Next song is a haunting number from the Malayalam movie Summer in Bethlehem. Vidya Sagar won the Filmfare Award in the year 1998 for Best Music Direction. Singing to us today is Rakhi Rajguru. I remind Luke and Tara Francis to get ready next. Thank you.
Kids, let's have some silence in the room. You guys had a lot of fun. Singers are on stage. Right? Thank you.
One her.